Hi students, today I'm going to teach you how and when to use frequency words. So frequency words are words that tell us how often something happened, and we use these with all of our verbs. So the AR verbs, the verb tener, the verb ser, any verb we really use these with. So some of the words that we have that are frequency words from our vocab list are always, never, a lot, every day, many times, and once in a while. So let's start with always and never. Always is the word siempre in Spanish, and never is the word nunca. Both of these words always come before the verb in Spanish, just as they do in English. So for example, I never study. Yo nunca estudio. So nunca came before the verb. For practice, I would like you to go ahead and write "we always talk on the phone" in Spanish. Now the word a lot, which is mucho, always comes after the verb. So for example, he spends time with his friends a lot. Or do you rest a lot? The verb is rest. Here, spend time with friends is the verb. Notice how a lot comes at the end. So to say he spends time with friends a lot, you would say él pasa un rato con amigos mucho. For practice, I want you to write "do you rest a lot?" as a question. Remember that questions always start with an upside down question mark. And then we have the words every day, which is todos los días, many times, which is muchas veces, and de vez en cuando, once in a while. And these words always come at the beginning or end of a sentence. So for example, every day I rest. Todos los días yo descanso. Or it could be opposite, saying yo descanso todos los días. For practice, I want you to go ahead and write "many times they take notes." You guys watch TV once in a while. I want you to translate those both into Spanish, as well as the ones from above. Do you rest a lot? And we always talk on the phone. Now, if you look at the next page in your packet, you can see there's a little arrow, and that kind of puts the frequency words into perspective for you, from something that happens the least frequent to the most frequent. So never to always. Please come with this note sheet completed and all of the sentences translated into Spanish for Thursday, October 25th.